Welcome back to 8482 Media. My name is Jeff, and today we are going over how to download MetaMask onto your Chrome browser. So, as you can see here, you type in metamask.io, click on the first link, and then you can see these options. We are going to want to click download. So, right here, you have the options Chrome, iOS, Android. If you're on your phone, it's iOS. If you're on an Android piece of crap, you click Android. We're clicking Chrome because we are on the Chrome browser on a MacBook. So here we go. We click Install MetaMask for Chrome. We click Add to Chrome. We allow everything for it to do everything, add extension. So now that we're on the Get Started page, we click Get Started. And now we have an option. If you already have a MetaMask account, you can retrieve it using your seed phrase. Or if you're completely starting over and you want to create a MetaMask wallet, you click Create a Wallet. You agree. And now we're going to set up a password. After creating your password, we are going to set up a seed phrase. But first, we have to click Next. So as you can see here, there are 12 words that we have to save. Do not save this onto your computer or phone. You want to write this down on a piece of paper and hide it under your bed where no one can see it. We want to know these in order. Now, after writing your 12 words in order, we're going to click Next. And now we're going to put them in order into this box. After putting all the words in, we're going to click Confirm. Congratulations, you have created your MetaMask. And there we go. We are on our MetaMask account. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.